Bhutan, land of mountains, forest, and wildlife. But our environment is changing. To protect it, a new generation steps forward, the young conservation champions. An innovative project promoting conservation science in the classroom to help protect, study, and monitor species and habitats. The students learn, observe, and record the beauty of nature. Studying birds, rivers, and forests. Devoting their spare time and led by the school's nature club. Their project, Bird Conservation in the Thimphu Valley, a journey to understand how human activity affects our wildlife. From fieldwork to awareness campaigns, these students share their findings through reports, art, and digital media. Each voice adds to Bhutan's conservation story. Each voice contributes to national and global initiatives. The future of Bhutan's wildlife begins here, with the young conservation champions.